All right, so this is problem 3, right? Let's see, a 1.20 kilogram mass moves at a constant speed. This requires 26 newtons of upward force at the bottom. Okay, so let's draw a picture of that. The first thing we're going to do is figure out the weight of this thing. So 1.2 times 9.81. 1.2 times 9.81. It's 11.77772. Okay. Now we're all set. At the bottom, we've got, at the bottom, let's set up our F equals ma. So we've got 26 is an upward force, right? Minus 11.772 equals 1.2 times a. So we can figure out the centripetal acceleration, right? So the bottom. Okay, so 26 minus that 11 thing divided by 1.2. So the acceleration is 11.85 and a lot of sixes meters per second squared. So it says, what is the period of the mass? Now that we have the acceleration, we can do that, right? So I'm going to use a is equal to 4 pi squared r over t squared, right? So 11.856 bar, right, is equal to 4 pi squared times, what's our radius, 2.5? Divided by t squared. I guess we're trying to solve for t squared. Okay, so I'm going to go 4 pi squared times 2.5 divided by that 11 point. There we go. And that's t squared. I got to raise it to the 0.5. 2.885. So t is equal to 2. Don't forget to square root, right? 88515 seconds. And if we have to round it to there, I guess we'd say 2.89 seconds. Right? Okay, so let's see. What force is required at the top? We know it's going to be a downward force because it's a bigger acceleration than gravity, right? So at the top, we've got some unknown force minus 11.77. That's just the weight, right? That's the force of gravity. It's always down. Right, that's 1.2 times, and then we know the acceleration is this, right? Only we have to make it negative. At the top, remember we're accelerating toward the center, so the acceleration is negative. 11.856 bar. Okay, so 1.2 times negative that 11 point whatever number. Okay, and then I have to add the 11.772. There it is. Alrighty, I get negative 2.456. We have to round to there, so we'd say 2.46 newtons, and because it's negative, we'd say down. Yeah? Don't forget to say the direction, right? Alrighty. Not much down, doesn't need a whole lot down, right? Alright.